Hey guys, this is Dr. Tim, and these are standing lumbar extensions against the wall for low back pain, leg pain, etc. So you're going to find a wall. I have my hands against the wall. My feet are a couple feet away from the wall. And holding my arms stiff, I'm just going to sink my hips into the wall. Now, as I come out of the extension, I want to make sure that I'm not rounding. So as I come out of it, I don't want to round too far backwards. I'm going to stop at neutral, sink into extension, and then just come to neutral. If you begin to experience some pain, numbness, or tingling in the legs and down into the feet, please stop the exercise and let your practitioner know.